everyone. My name is Captain Steven Stansbury from Expeditionary Warfare School, and this is my project. When presented with fleet problems, how can MCU students and faculty best support the Fleet Marine Forces? I believe that I have an answer by way of commercial, off-the-shelf computer games with research organized by the six-step scientific method. This year, I completed a non-traditional research fellowship through studying the future operating concept for 12th Marine Regiment's restructure as a High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS, regiment. For those of you who don't know, 12th Marines is currently a cannons regiment. The inspiration for this project derived from the Commandant's planning guidance and discussion of a concept of employment for 12th Marines placing HIMARS units on islands in the Western Pacific. 12th Marines provided a concept to the EWS 0802 community for discussion and development. I chose to execute a scientific approach to wargaming with a commercial off-the-shelf computer game called Command, Modern Air and Naval Operations, in order to assist 12th Marines with some of the questions they have on how to best contribute to sea denial and control in the Western Pacific as instructed in the CPG, the Commandant's Plan Guidance. Our research followed a similar method used by the Training and Education Command Warfighting Club as they study future operating concepts for the Marine Corps. Dr. Ben Jensen, School of Advanced Warfighting faculty and TCOM Warfighting Club charter member, helped guide us through scenario design for this project. All right, so the computer game Command, Modern Air and Naval Operations, allowed us to replicate a current 12th Marines CONOPS and add a Chinese adversarial scenario to fight against. The scientific method that you see there on the left allowed us to formulate a question from the Commandant's planning guidance, create a hypothesis involving 12th Marines CONOPS, design and execute an experiment, record those facts and observations, analyze the results, and then develop conclusions. The conclusions were briefed to 12th Marines in an AAR-style presentation that was about an hour and a half long and very fruitful, in my opinion. Major General James C. Breckinridge is who you see here on the left. He was the president of Marine Corps University in 1929 and wrote what is commonly referred to as the 1929 Breckinridge Paper. In the paper, he stressed the importance of MCU student support to the fleet. This project was directly in line with his initial ideas of MCU students solving fleet problems. So thanks a lot, Major General James C. Breckinridge, who also was a University of Tennessee graduate, sometimes called the Harvard of Appalachia. This is what the computer game Command looks like. It is Google Earth on steroids and a great platform to research fleet problems. Once you learn the user interface, this game can be extremely beneficial in understanding friendly and enemy capabilities and their utilization in many scenarios. We can discover new TTPs, techniques, tactics, and procedures, in how to destroy ships or learn about air superiority. We can uncover information about the use of signature management and find better weapon-to-target matches. From our war games at Marine Corps University, we found information about the placement of HIMARS that could best contribute to sea denial and sea control, and much more information across the warfighting functions that we briefed 12th Marines on. Wargaming is a high priority for the Marine Corps right now. Commercial off-the-shelf games like Command could give us a leg up in many ways against our adversaries. To sum up, Marine Corps University partnering with the fleet to solve fleet problems should be the standard, not the exception. Commercial off-the-shelf games like Command are great platforms for research and learning at all levels and should definitely be a platform available to all Marines. And just in addition here, this project would not have been possible without the Krulak Center's relentless support. They provided access to large spaces, computers, the computer game Command, and countless hours of assistance. What you see here is a flyer Krulak Center created to garner support for our war games. The flyer was sent out to all MCU and was very successful. And you also see some pictures of our war games and then the awarded participants up there in the top right, with Major Jerry Cooper awarding the coveted Brute Krulak Center coffee mugs. And that's it for my project. I wish I had more time, but if you'd like to know more, you can contact me at the email that you see there below. This was a team effort across the board, and I appreciate everybody's hard work on the project to be able to produce some tangible results that we were able to successfully deliver to 12th Marines.